Welcome to the AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Ian, and today we're taking a look at this Hummer H2. This is a 2007 with just over 60,000 miles, and it's from California, so it's absolutely rust-free. And we actually sourced this vehicle and just sold it, and we did a Waxoyl rust preventative treatment on the underbody, which I'm going to walk you through in this video. So we're going to inspect the Hummer and really just appreciate its awesome condition and document this Waxoyl coating. You can see underneath it looks amazing. Of course, a lot of the components on the H2, like the frame, already have sort of like a black tacky coating on them from the factory. So the new owner of this Hummer, they wanted to do the black Waxoyl, so it all kind of blends together and looks great. But you can see even the underside of the tow hitch was done there. Full rear axle, sort of the cross member here of the frame, as well as the underside of the Hummer unibody is done as well. You can see all the way in back there, even like above the gas tank there. And the drive shaft was done as well. Sorry for the little bit of sun glare from the window. You can see the control arms and the frame all are looking awesome. Now coming around the side, we did new tires on the Hummer as well, some really nice all-terrain tires. And there's a little bit of road splash. It just went on a quick road test as it's about to be picked up by the transporter. But just showing, you can see how clean and protected everything is. Really, really nice. And going around to the front of the Hummer now, big factory skid plate, and looking at these control arms here. And you've got the upper control arm, the sway bar. Everything is protected and looking awesome. You can see all these frame structures. Big protective cage over the drivetrain there. And yeah, just anywhere you look on this Hummer, like even check out right here, some of the, painted body structure. It's a part of the body. It's all just super clean, not a spot of corrosion. And now the, mechanical underbody components that have been protected, this protection's really gonna last for pretty much the lifetime of the vehicle. Of course, you do need to do the annual checks to just confirm the condition of the underbody. But this Waxoyl product, we see vehicles come back with this year after year, looking great, really needing little to no touch-ups, and it really does last, pretty much the life of the vehicle. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough Service Center. If you need any sort of rust proofing done, rust repairs, anything of that nature, contact our service department. You can view also our website page about these services we offer, which will be linked in the description. Thanks for joining me in this video, looking around the underside of this Hummer that we have protected. And if this video was interesting, leave a like on it and be sure to subscribe to not miss any future motoring content.